I just had an amazing workout. It's very hot and humid today. And I rode my bike in my room with zero ventilation, no fan. And it felt good. We are doing a day in the life video today. At home, like getting stuff done at home. It's been a summer of go, go, go. And we're gonna stay home today. We're gonna enjoy whatever we have for like water toys and whatnot. And I'm gonna get some housework done. Kind of a relaxing day. I feel like it's gonna be nice because I have just, I don't know what it is, but this summer I've been like, we need to do it all. And not need to do it all, but like I want to do it all. I want to, you know, go to the beach and the playgrounds and have play dates and just go do all the things, mini golfing, strawberry picking. So it will be really nice to spend kind of a relaxing day here. It's needed. It's definitely needed. I am drinking, surprise, surprise, water with the Mio fruit punch. It is so good. It's what gets me to drink. I have to have like a ton of ice in my water. I'm not necessarily a water drinker, but it has to be super, super ice cold when I work out. It's so refreshing. Now I'm gonna go shower.
So I want the heart and the rose.
Sydney has chosen to do tattoos. Today is the day where I take off the rest of the dip nail polish. It's gotten out of control. All right, heart and rose.
17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now, twinkle, twinkle, how wonder you are. I think it's time to lift my tattoo, I think. But not yet, or maybe soon.
You happy?
Mm-hmm. Yes. Thank you.
Okay, so Little Miss now wants to paint her nails. So we have tattoos,
Wait, Mom.
fancy dress,
I need to ask you
painting
something.
nails.
I need to ask you
What?
something. I want to paint here, and I want to paint here, here.
Okay.
A book coming.
I love you. Sydney has her nails painted and she's outside coloring right now. She's gonna randomly like talking with scissors. She's gonna go have a popsicle and I'm gonna start cleaning the house a little bit and be like in and out. You see a butterfly? Awesome. So I recently got these superfood popsicles because our neighbors had them too, and I was like, well, they look a little bit healthier. I got them from Walmart. There's like mixed berry, strawberry, mango. Okay. So these are them, DB's Organics Superfruit. It's just like fruit juices and fruit juices and fruit puree. So she's gonna have this as like a little treat while I start to clean.
I can't find. I always can't find the baby man. This is so frozen.
I know. I bet it's really frozen. You coloring?
sunshine today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. And I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke. And I will try to fix what has been broken. And take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words
Wow,
spoken.
stunning. Got it.
Let my mind be carried by the weight.
It's a video.
Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day.
Can't get wet.
All right, so Sydney, as you can see, is gonna play in her sprinkle pad a little bit. It's getting pretty hot. I think it's like 85 and it's pretty humid. So she is gonna play in the sprinkle pad and I am going to take just a little break from cleaning, even though I didn't do a whole lot, but I don't leave her outside by herself because we do still have traffic and whatnot. So I'm gonna make myself a little iced coffee and sit and enjoy the sunshine and whatnot. Maybe do a little bit of work on my phone. And then she does quiet time around, well, really honestly it depends on whenever she's kind of like tired and over it, but usually around 3. And so she'll do quiet time from 3 to 4, and that's usually when I do a lot of my cleaning. So I have some dishes that I have to do by hand right here, but I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna enjoy the weather, play with my child a little bit, and do I have enough drinks? Seltzer, water. I'm about to make myself a nice coffee. But that's okay. But anyway, yeah, enjoying the day. I love it. So I definitely was feeling like just so hungover from being on my phone, like phone hungover, internet hungover, because of just Amazon Prime Day. I was just on my phone constantly and staring at a screen and all that. I mean, you guys know. But yeah, feeling so good after my workout and felt accomplished and able to get some cleaning done, which always makes me feel good. I've really been able to stay pretty much on top of it this summer so far with just having a routine and picking up as we go and just making Sydney help me as much as she, you know, as much as she can, and not stressing about it. Like, definitely enjoying so much time outside while we can and not stressing about it, but not letting it get away out of control has been working so well. Uh-oh, I need to go buy coffee creamer. They've been out for weeks of my favorite coffee creamers, so I just haven't bought another one, and now I'm like out. I don't have coffee creamer for the morning. So good. So my neighbor was bought this by accident. She likes almond milk creamer, and this is oat milk, and so she texted me and asked me if I wanted it. I was like, yes. So this is the oat milk caramel. It has sugar in it though. I usually buy sugar-free coffee creamer. I mean, it's not a ton. You don't need a lot because it's super sweet, but it's actually delicious, very delicious. So that's what I used. Now we're gonna go outside.
Yeah, 'cause I'm gonna go
So quiet time is about 3 to 4 usually. So Sydney's in her bed right now. She has a fan going, so don't worry. I mean, it's probably hot, but she has a nice breeze in there. And I have a little bit of cleaning up to do in the living room. Toys, we played Zingo last night and Sydney changed. And I'm gonna do a little bit of work here on my computer. I'm gonna edit a little bit of the vlog, and then also I'm making a collage on Canva for my Like to Know It app. I just placed an order off of Target because they were having 50% off like clothing deal. So I'm gonna go ahead and work a little bit and then clean up the living room.
Try to fix what has been broken and take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken, and I'll let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day.
I just got my feather too.
Okay, this is the last thing I wanted to do, but we are heading very quickly to the grocery store. I need coffee creamer, toothpaste, and I don't really have a whole lot for dinner that I feel like having. Nothing hot and heavy, so I might get a rotisserie chicken and make tacos. At least that's like cooler, not super hot. So yay, run into Hannaford real quick, even though I just went a few days ago. I don't like doing the midweek runs. Sometimes they're necessary.
I put it in my pocket. I put my foot in my pocket.
That doesn't look so good. Store had nothing that I needed. I went there for rotisserie chicken and they didn't have any. Usually it's like guaranteed until 5 that they have it. So I was like, whatever, we'll just have frozen pizza. So I made Sydney a little like pepperoni Elio's pizza. She's been super into pepperoni. And then I made myself just a brick oven cheese, and I burnt myself pretty badly. I probably can't see anything right now. My skin is already starting to like shrivel on the palm and on the finger, so I'm immediately icing it. I don't know, that might be like the worst thing to do for a burn. I don't know. I'm an idiot, and I had put my cookie sheet under the pizza because the Elio's was like sagging a little bit, and I went to go take it out of the oven for some reason, and I was holding it with my left hand with the mitt, and because I never put the cookie sheet in the oven, I wasn't even thinking, and I grabbed it, full on handled it with this hand, and burnt it. So I immediately ran it under cold water. I don't know, something tells me that's probably you shouldn't do that with a burn. I don't remember. Anyway, I have no other method. This is easing the pain, and I'm just praying that it doesn't bubble or anything. It hurts so bad. Anyway, pizza night, I guess, impromptu pizza night. And that's pretty much probably gonna do it for our day. Pretty cozy, relaxing. I was able to clean. I do have to I'm gonna clean the bathroom when Sydney goes to bed, because I do have to do a load of laundry, and I wanna do like the sink and the mirror and all of that, but yeah. All right, well, I just looked up what to do for a burn, and it says cool water, not cold. And that's what I've been doing, is cold. And then it says a wet compress, apply lotion, and a bandage. Do not pop blisters. I know it's gonna blister. There's no way it's not. It instantly like shrunk the skin. But I'm a champ. I can do this. So wet compress. Wet compress? Like what's that? Oh, man, it's kind of soothing.